and Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Westchester County, Fairfield County, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm. The storm was near Mount Kisco, moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Ridgefield, Georgetown. This severe thunderstorm has a history of producing wind-damaging Palisades in Rockland County. Do not stay outdoors. Very heavy rain will also occur with this severe thunderstorm, which could flood low-lying areas quickly and cover roads with water. Do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Severe thunderstorms produce damage. Move inside a permanent building now to be safe from strong wind gusts. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage when you can do so safely to the National Weather Service via Facebook, or tweet us at NWS New York NY, or mail us at okx.spotters@noaa.gov. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and Westchester, New York.